Very good morning, children. So, how are you all? Yes, very good. I hope you are doing your studies and this time your tests are coming up, right? Yes. For that, the chapters which we have covered till now, that is a numbers addition. Okay. In that full chapter numbers you will be having, and the addition, in the part of addition you will be having simple addition and the addition with carryover. Only these two you will be having from new textbook. Okay. And addition by making 10, which is there in the first new textbook exercise 1, that will not be there. Okay, that we have not taught as per the new textbook. That will be taught later. So you will be having the first chapter full first chapter numbers, and in the addition second chapter you have only simple addition on number line, and addition with carryover. That is, you have no in the textbook, in that part you will be up to that part you will be having as a portion for your first test. Now in this session we are going to study, that is we are going to revise what we have portion for the test, that is first chapter. And in that addition you have only two exercises, that is one with simple, when first exercise I can is there, no, that one. And in addition with carryover, you don't have addition by making 10. Please don't take in your mind that will be taught later. So in addition you will have only two parts, right? So now I'll be saying you pattern as well as your revision. Along with that, both the things I'll be doing that. Then in the first part you will be having section A. You have section A in the test. In that, first one will be fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks for 5 marks. Okay. So children, you will be having the fill in the blanks, that is 1 mark each. You will be having only 5. So for that, you can refer your practice sheet also on page number 38. They have given simple fill in the blanks there for your reference. Okay, there are some other fill in the blanks also, for in which you have to go through your practice sheet, that is page number 38. Only you don't have only those, just for reference you can study those. In that you can see what is 10 more than 550 dash 100 less than 880. That is whatever you have in the new textbook page number 38, only that you can refer. Okay. And suppose if a given number is there, how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones, I am just giving you a clue how you will be having your fill in the blanks in the test. Only just I am giving you the clue here. That is, you can refer as a reference, you can go through your fill in the blanks which are given in your practice sheet, that is chapter 1, page number 38. Okay. Now in that you can see you may be asked to write your number names, that is the spelling, the number name of whatever 500, 538, whatever, just okay, they'll give you a number and you need to write their number names. And we may ask you expanded form or standard form, that is, for example, mm, 183. If the number is given, you may ask to write the expanded form. Expanded means 100 plus 80 plus 3. That is, so you may have your expanded form or standard form. They will give you this and you may ask you to write this one. And the place value and the face value. Suppose if we take the same number, what is the place value of 8 here? What is the place value of 8 here? That is, you have to see the number 8 in which place it is, whether it is in ones, tens or hundreds. So based on that you need to write their place value. And for the they may ask you even the face value. Face value means it is not the place, it is face value. The face value of 3 is 3 here, 3 itself. 8 is 8 itself and 1 is 1 itself. So they may give you the other numbers to write the face value also. You can see that is page number 38, as I said you, 10 more than 580 they have given. That is, see, 580 they have given. 10 more than, 10 more than means you need to go for its tens place and make one more. For example, 10 more they have asked, no, that is, go to tens place, it is 8, one more. What is 10 more than? Means you need to go for its tens place and make one more. See, 5 and 0 as it is, only 8 will change to 9. This is what we have learnt a long back really. Okay, so please remember all those. This is 10 more. The same number if I take 100 more means, see, 8 and 0 as it is, only this 5 will change. That is, it becomes 6. Same way, less than. What is 10 less than? They may ask you in a reverse way also. Okay, what is 10 more? What is 10 less? 1 more, 1 less. Okay, and um, see here, the number just before 999. I am just saying you the same elements which are there. They are only as a reference. I am not sharing you any real examples which are coming in the test. Okay. I am saying for all, you can take as a only as the reference. You will have 5 in the blanks in your test. Suppose they will give you a number, for example 998, whatever. Just they'll give you a number. They'll ask you what is a just before number, number before or number after. See, they'll give you this number, you are asked to write the number before and number after. So how to write? So for that I've said you children, you need to remember the numbers from 1 to 1000, especially first, that is 1 to 1000, to read and write first. Okay, like how, what number will come first, what number will come later, where 693 comes, where 543 comes, what is just before that, what is after that. You should be very particular. Then only I said you that the first chapter will be very easy, and even upcoming chapters also you'll be getting, like you'll be feeling easier. Okay, if they give you any number, you need to write their uh, number before number or after number. Okay, so practice all the numbers. You just take any number whichever comes into your mind, and take before and after of it. Okay, now here it is 998. What comes before there? See, if you are perfect with numbers, it is very easy. 997. It is before, and I know it is 999. 999. Children, what comes after 999? 100. Yes? No, it is not 100. It is 1000. 4 places. Because see, 999. Okay, next is 1000. Now, 998 and 999,000, and they may ask you small numbers also, like 143, 196. So they may ask you any number, so you should be particular to that. And suppose for the numbers, for example, same numbers, how many hundreds are there, how many tens are there, how many ones are there. So just this all includes your fill in the blanks. So as a reference, you can refer to page number 38. So just I have explained you how they will be 5 fill in the blanks wherein no options will be given. This is very important. I will not give you any options. If that is choose the correct answer means you will be having the options, right? But for this you will not have any options. You need to think and write. Suppose what happens, you know what, many children, even the children those who score good marks, even they do wrong, where instead of writing before number they'll write after number, or after number means they'll write before number. That is, see, they know, I also feel that you know the answer, but while writing after before you'll just miss it. That should not happen. Okay, now, so please be careful how many hundreds, how many ones, tens. So you just continuously you practice so that you will feel easier. Then the children, as of whatever I have covered here, just I have said you orally, please do remember that and write the proper numbers, place value, face value, what comes after, before. and expansion standard form. And you have very good exercise in your first chapter. Okay, that full pages you have the same numbers. You just take random numbers. See, you only can create your own question paper and you can practice. See, just whatever comes, I have written the same way. You need to take any number and go on doing that. Now this is all includes your 5 fill in the blanks. Understood? Number names, place values, standard form, expansion form, after number, before number, uh, tens, how many hundreds, ones, tens, number names, spelling, especially spellings. If you write spelling, see, you will write all the things correct. Suppose they'll ask you same number 998, you'll write 998. In that, some many spelling mistakes will be there. Even you have written the full sentence, if the spelling is wrong, you are going to lose your marks. Instead of writing 100, you will miss somewhere. Okay, you'll write 100, whatever. 90. Spelling is very, very important. If one spelling goes wrong, there also you will lose your marks. Now only I'm saying I understand, okay, I have written 100, but see to it that you will not miss any spellings also. Okay, this all includes your fill in the blanks of 5 marks. Right? Now, next is your match the following. Match the following. This is also for 5 marks. So here you will be having your two columns, that is A and B. Okay. Now for all, you don't write, some people have the practice of just matching A, B, C, D. They'll do A 1 2 3 4 5, they'll write here, and they will write here A, B, C, D, and they will not write anything here. That you don't do it. They'll just one with D, four with E. That you should not do it. I want from everyone that you should write both the columns from the question paper. You should write both the columns from the question paper, and you need to match it. Don't do this just by writing numbers and writing alphabets. Please don't do it. Okay, now you need to write both the columns and you need to match them. See, here also, what may be, for example, as we have said here, match the following means you may have your suppose what is two tens here? Two tens you should know. One ten, 10, two tens, 20, three tens, 30. Likewise, three tens means somewhere will be having 30 here. And they may ask you simple subtraction or simple addition here, and you need to calculate it. Then you can find the answer and match it. And what is you may have your place value, face value, okay, and ordinal numbers, colors, positions. So this and all you will have your match the following. Of course, this is easy for all, and only thing is you should carefully match them. What actually comes here? This will be very easy if you are perfect with numbers and addition. Simple addition also it may carry. Okay, and sometimes you need to match, find out the answer, then match it. This will be easy for all. I want you to write both the columns and match them. Okay, so here fill in the blanks and match the following. Children, I have just shown you, I have just shared with you some examples, not the this whatever I have shared, please understand them carefully and do it in your question paper. So now you have section B. Okay, section B, that is you will be having real solving. Okay, this time you have, that is you have solve. Third main will be, we are in section B, only solve. You will be having 5 questions of 2 marks. Here you will have 5 questions of each, will be that carries 2 marks. Okay, now in the first one you will have arranging the numbers, arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending, see I have given you, because we have only 2 options, ascending and descending. Because if I say ascending means you'll practice only that. If I say descending means you'll practice that. So I'm saying you both. That you will have first question. It may be either ascending or descending. Arrange the numbers in ascending bar descending. You will have only one there in the exam, not both. But for the revision, I'm saying you both here. That is, you will have as we have studied, you will have three numbers. Okay, you will have three numbers, for example 138. Just randomly I'm taking 476 and 121. So I just have taken three numbers here. How to write the same numbers in ascending order? What is ascending order, children? Ascending. Yes, that is small to big. You need to arrange the numbers from smaller number to the bigger number. Here smaller number. So as I've said, you can just see, because if you are perfect with the numbers, you can directly write the numbers which I know, because 121 comes like then 138, because I know I'm perfect with till 1000, so I can write any number. But if there is a problem, means you need to go for number by number, that is by place values. See, check all the 100 places, 1, 4 and 1. Okay, 4 is different, but both are 1 1 here. So some maybe this number is first or this number is first. I am confused. Yes, in that case you should go for their tens place, 2 and 3. So in that 2 is small. So in such cases ascending order will be 121, then comes 138 and 471. So because this I have done using their place values. Okay, but if see, as I've said you, if you are perfect with numbers, any number, then easily you can write. If I write ascending order, the same I can write in a reverse way, that is 471. See, I am writing ulta, 138 and 121. This will be descending. Okay, see, I am showing you both. Okay, one more I'll take. I've just taken one example. Here one more I'll take. See, for the same number we are writing ascending and descending. Now if I take you for the next one, 472, 534 and 249. See, all three are different. How to write the numbers in ascending or descending order? Ascending will write first or descending? Okay, we'll write, because for this one we wrote ascending. Now we'll write descending. Descending. Yes, that is from big to small. Ulta. Okay, now big means the 100 place must have the higher number. We have 4, 5 and 2. Which is higher? Which is highest? Yes, 5. So we are writing descending here. That is 534. Next is 4 and 2. Which is bigger here? 4 and 2? Yes, it is 472 and 249. For this I have shown you descending. The same numbers if we write in a reverse order, that will be ascending. Okay, ascending here will be, see here, 249, 472 and 534. Now you will have first question in the section part B. Third main solve will be there. In that first will be either in ascending or descending. You will have either one of this. Okay, I have shown you here both the things, that is ascending and descending. So based on the given numbers, you need to arrange them in what order they will ask you. Okay, this is first one. Now we'll go for second question, that is form all the 3-digit numbers. Sorry, here second will be form all the 3-digit numbers using the digits See children, I am not writing the pattern aside at one side. Along with the pattern, I am showing you the examples that you please keep in your mind. Or after completion of this pattern, you can make just one side. You can just roughly make make a note of it, and you can practice. That is also there, right? Separately I am not writing the pattern here. Along with the pattern writing and revision, both the things I am doing. So what you do after completion of my revision and the pattern, only this headings part is there. No, first question, second question, only this part, this all you you write one side and make a note of it. Now form all the 3-digit numbers using the given, using the digits. For example, they'll give you 2, 5 and 9. So you should make all the 3-digit numbers. See, we have done this also in first chapter. How to make the possible 3-digit numbers by using this number, and for that also you have one pattern, one method of it. It's not like randomly we are not writing. So 3 numbers means hundreds and hundreds, tens and ones. See what we have done. First we'll write the first number in two places. 2 times I am writing. The rest of numbers 5 and 9. I am writing here 5, 9, and only these numbers I am reversing it. This is, I have just written only 2 numbers. We need to write all possible numbers. Let's see how many we'll get. What I have done in the first part, I have taken only this number, first number, and the other 2 numbers I have written as it is and reverse way. I took 2 and I wrote 2 times. Now what I will do, I will take second number and I will write in 100 place twice. 5 and 5. If I take 5 out, 2 and 9 remains here. I'll write 2, 9 and reverse way 9, 2. See, we got 4 number. See, one more number is left. That also we must write 2 times, 9 and 9 and 2, 5. The left out numbers 2, 5, 5, 2. You can refer your notes also. See, because these are the only possible 6 numbers that are 3-digit numbers from the given numbers. Of course, they'll give you other numbers. I've just shown you different example, that is 2, 5, 9. They will give you 3 different digits. Using those digits, you should make the column. You should make columns and write. Okay, make particularly, and you'll have 6 numbers. Third question, that is circle the even number. Circle the even. I am giving one more option, that is odd. So here circle the even and odd number. They will give you, they'll ask you only one, either they will ask you even or odd. So here let me take some 2 example here. 973, 131, 246. Just I have taken 3 numbers. You need to circle the even number. First we'll do what is even number here. So for that even number, what to do children? What is even number? Yes, the numbers which make pairs, or you need to go for the given number, you need to go for ones place and check whether the number is in two table or no. So here in number 973, 3, is it there in 2 table? No, no means it is odd number. 131, yes, 1 is also not there in 2 table. 6, yes, it is there in 2 table. So this is even number. You need to check only its ones place, not the full number. If this is decided, then whole number becomes even or odd. So for this question, I have circled only the even number. We'll take one more example. 433, 120, 400, 401. So for this, we'll circle odd number. Because Different example will do. Now we'll go for odd number. Odd number is also same, that is you need to go for ones place and check whether the number is there in 2 table or no. If it is there, it becomes the even number. Now my question is, we are circling the odd number here for this part. So for A question I circled only even number. For second question I am circling odd number here. For 3 is it there in 2 table? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Yes, it is not there. So this is odd. I have circled only even here. 0. It is even number. 1. Yes, it is also odd. So I am showing you examples of even and odd both. They may ask you to circle even or odd. We'll take one small example. 43, 21 and 9. We'll circle even number. Even. So go for ones place and check. Now 3. Yes, odd number. 1. This also 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is all even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That is all are odd. That is also one of the way of remembering odd number. Only this is even here. 94. D. 20, 14 and 13. We'll circle odd number here. So here 20, if it is with 0, it is with even number. If the number has 0 means it is always an even number. 4 is, yes, 2 twos are 4, it is also even number. 3, so which is not there in table 2, that is odd number. So here I have shown you 4 different examples wherein in exam they will give you 3 digit numbers. You may be asked to circle even number or odd number. We will go for fourth question, that is add. So here you will have only the simple addition. You don't have any carry over here. Simple addition, for example 21, 34. See, ones and tens. That is, you have to start adding from ones place. 1 and 4. 1 in the mind, 4 in the hand. 1 plus 4 is 5. Because at this step you need to be very careful. You have to be very fast. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 in the mind, 3 in the hand. 2 after 3, 4, 5. So you will have simple addition here, not the carryover. For example, one more is 34 plus 34. Ones and tens. Here also you should write the place names. 4 plus 4. Start adding from ones place. 4 in the mind, 4 in the hand. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. So just I am showing you simple one. In the fourth main, you will have simple addition. If I take one more, 10 plus 80. So here 0 plus 0. What is 0 plus 0 then? 0 only. 1 plus 8. 1 in the mind, 8 in the hand. See children, there is one more method here. If the numbers are, because you need to add only 2 numbers, you can add even in a reverse order, but you should be very careful. Generally you don't go for it. So 1 plus 8 or 8 plus 1, both are same. So for our convenience, we can do even here 8 plus 1. So both are same, that is 90. So 10 plus 80 is 90. One more will take 29 plus 30. Here 9 plus 0, any number if we add 0 means number remains as it is. 9 plus 0 is 9 only. 2 plus 3, 2 in the mind, 3 in the hand, that is 3, 4 and 5. So here we have simple addition. So children, we have covered up to fourth question here. Third main, circle even or odd. In the fourth question you have addition, which is simple addition. Children, in the first session we have covered section A, fill in the blanks and match the following, and section B we have covered only up to 4 questions, okay, in the first session, and the next questions, rest of the part will be continued in the next session. Thank you.